A group of owls is called a parliament. Owls have claws called talons to help them catch food. Owls can turn their heads as far as 270 degrees. Owl feathers are colored to provide camouflage. Their vision is long-sighted, so owls can't see things clearly up close. Many owls have asymmetrical ears. The smallest owl in the world is the elf owl. They are between 12 centimeters and 15 centimeters tall. Barn owls don't only roost and nest in barns. Barn owls can roost and nest in cavities, trees, and nesting boxes. Some owl species hunt fish. Subscribe, like, and comment for more fun facts.